Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Sagitnet 2. I've got a surprise for you. I have found Miley's long lost twins, the younger twins. What year is this?
2000 model Honda Civic.
This episode is about, I would like to have Jer to share his experience and share his vision, even though he lives in a condominium, and everyone knows that if you live in a place like a condominium or an apartment, you don't have a place, you're not supposed to work on your cars, and yet he turned this thing into something like this. And when he showed me a picture of this, like, said, man, I was starstruck. I said, I got to see this, because this thing, it looks like a Civic in Manila. Yeah, something that you could see in Manila, in the Philippines. So Jer, how do you get this thing to turn into something like this?
So yeah, my first vision this as to be like a daily car, because at first I have another car that I work on, and I want to have a daily car that I need to, you know, like fuel efficient, you know, with it's not lowered, you know. So building this car, in my vision is so hard because I don't have a place to work on. I don't have a, you know, a bigger area. I don't have a special tools, you know, complete setup to work on this car. But I was so glad because I didn't expect the way it looks right now.
Yeah, it does look good, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
Thank
mean,
you.
the stance is perfect, man. Have you ever get caught by the homeowners associations when you're working on this car? I mean, does it ever happen to you?
Yeah, it happened to me.
And what did they tell you?
The landlord, like, what is this engine? Why you have another engine like next to your garage? I said, oh, because I work on my car because the old engine blown up, so I need to replace a new engine. It takes a while for me to sell the D series engine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was like oh man,
You know,
I'm gonna be kicked out. It's so hard because I need to put a lot of you know, like a plastic cover,
yeah,
just to, like, you know, just not to be, you know, showed to the owner that it's an engine or something.
man.
But one time they inspect all the, you know, they visit us and they check all around the surrounding, and they saw my engine, my old engine, and they asking me, why do you have this engine here? And I told them, oh, my car is not working because I blown the old engine. But to be honest, the engine is not blown. I just see
You just don't.
yeah.
You just want to do the swap.
Yeah, the swap. I just do the swap because I just see a good offer,
Okay.
like a this year's offer.
All right. Here's the another question for you. Is case the way? What do you got in there, man?
I mean, K is the way for me. 90s car. I like B series, but K is good engine. Don't get me wrong.
Can you
Yeah.
let's see what you got underneath, man.
Okay.
Let's see what the K series.
It's a single jingle.
Now this thing looks good, man. Oh man.
It's like a single jingle.
What do you got in here, dude?
So this is a B16A, first generation from EF or CRX, the first generation B16A, JDM SIR.
Let's everyone see.
Like a small version of a B series, the baby of all B series.
Skunk 2. What size is the throttle body?
It's 74 mm. Then got Skunk 2 Alpha.
What about your transmission? What do you got in
I
there?
got the SI EM1 transmission,
Okay, so it's a high gearing.
the high gearing, yeah.
Okay.
Then for my cam gear, I got the Skunk 2. Then for my belt, it's Gates. Then for the internals, for the headers, I got the PLM, the 421. 2 inches outlet. Then
AEM.
for the fuel system, I got AEM fuel regulator. Injector is Alpha Racing,
What size?
550 cc.
550.
Yeah, 550 cc.
I know you have this thing tuned recently.
Yes.
What's the magic number, man?
Oh, to be honest, I don't make a lot of horsepower on this car because right now the car is still on a break-in tune. So I only make 173 horsepower.
It's
Yeah.
not bad.
Yeah, so
That is not bad.
the torque is not like a lot.
Well,
Just a
you
single
can't
torque.
really expect a lot of torque on a B16.
That's true, yeah.
Sparco seats. Is this original?
Yes, it is. It's just a good deal.
What about your shifter, man?
It's a hybrid racing, short shifter, bushy.
Oh, it's got a Mugen pedal. All right, man, you're living the good life, man.
I got Function and Power, the first generation. Falcon Acenis, RT615.
What about the wheels?
The wheels is Rota, 16s by 7.
Do you know what offset?
I think it's 18 or 17.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Then
What about on the rear?
on the rear, I got the ASR subframe and ASR sway bar with ASR LCA.
What about your exhaust?
For my exhaust is Skunk 2, mid 5. Then muffler is a Megan Racing.
Let's hear it, man. Huh? You want it?
Let's start. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Give it a wrap, dude. Okay. Right on, man. Did you do anything on the internals on this one?
So this one, for my block, I got the CTR piston, the 81 bore. Then for the head, I got Skunk 2 Tuner 2 and bulb string retainer, Super Tech bulbs, flat bulbs, and pretty much that's it. It's stuck.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
You said earlier it's 175. It made 175, right?
No, 173.
173. Okay. Man, it's not bad. You know, it's not all about the horsepower.
Yeah.
It's not all about the horsepower. It's a power to weight ratio.
That's true.
You know, I might have a big motor here, right? Rocking over 200 something, but
it's like
it goes by weight.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, who knows? You probably could outrun Miley on a sprint.
Yours is faster, I think.
No, I mean, you never know. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
I
because
see.
of the
The
power
weight.
to weight ratio.
Weight ratio.
Yeah. But as you can see, he's already like 100 pounds less.
Just take out the maybe it less weight.
Yeah. See, let me open the hood. Can you open the hood for me?
Dang, this is nice.
Man, this still look good, man.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad we did this.
Yeah,
Yeah. Look at this.
Same color.
It's before, after. You know, I have the big motor on Miley, and Miley's little sister right here, a B16. Man, I tell you.
It's revving high. That's
Yeah?
what I want on the B series because it's rev like growling freeway.
Talk about Honda's generation right here. This is it, man, right here. You know what we have here is two legends right
Two
here.
legends, kaya, yeah.
Yeah.
That's true, kaya.
An H22, well, it's a G23 Frankenstein motor, and what you have here is the legendary B16. Yeah, it's what puts Honda on the map.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, like
There you go.
F1 blood.
Yeah.
The chassis, the engine.
Yeah. Anyway, I think we have covered just about everything, and I know some of you guys relate to what he does at home. I mean, man, this is beautiful, man. Yeah, the stance is just great. Hey, what kind of lift do you have?
This one I got it from Russia.
Oh,
They call it tactical art, but you know the tactical art spelling is like C instead of K. Instead of C, it's like K. So it's like a copy of tactical arts.
oh man,
Yeah.
nice.
So yeah, but front bumper is still OEM. The grill is from I think it's
SI?
Yeah, SI.
You think it's SI or
The
no?
SI, yeah.
Okay. All right. I think this is where I'm going to end this video. And man, yeah, I gotta admit, I have to give you a shout out for turning this car into something like this. Even though you don't have a place of your own, well, soon, hopefully, you'll have something like this.
Yes, okay.
I am really lucky that I have all these areas. I mean, to begin with, I mean, I can pretty much like do whatever I want. But for some of you guys, like Jer here, and shout out to all of you for not stopping to turn your car into the vision that you wanted. So shout out to you and to everyone.
Yeah.
All right.
So thank you for having me here in your blog, and for all car enthusiasts, just keep on what you want to do.
Do you have anything to add up, man?
So I want to shout out to my family, to my brother, always supporting me on building my car, you know, fixing our cars, and to God also. Thank you for Kuya Sagit for having me here to interview about my
Hey,
car.
anytime, man. Yeah. Actually, it's my pleasure working on your car.
It's my dream come true to meet him because I'm watching his video on YouTube, and I was so inspired building this car because I saw his car,
Yeah.
working on his car. It's so nice.
Okay.
Thank you, Kuya.
Well, you know, my motto is, it's always been, if I can be an influence on your build, I will die a happy man. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this episode. Leave a comment. All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, guys.
Man, you really are hung down in there, man.
Yeah.
You're sunk in.